like our special guest to turn on his camera and microphone and share why he's here today.
Everyone see?
First day with the computer.
Hi, Todd.
What's going on?
I need my sunglasses now.
Turn on your camera.
He's on. I can see him.
Oh,
Yeah,
you can
he's
see him?
on.
He's
Okay.
on.
All right. It's all you, Todd. Go for it.
Alrighty, so we're all here this afternoon, and I just had a few things I wanted to say. Just wanted to say thank you to Kevin and Kyle Johnson and Kenny for maintaining a safe workplace, to keeping the doors open during this pandemic. During this time, they have worked with many vendors to get supplies to pass on to the employees and truckers to keep them safe and to keep the company moving forward and delivering product in the U.S. I've been told they started this MVP thing for the employees, but I think it'd be nice to thank the Johnsons for all the hard work they have done with this company and to keep the company up and running through this tough situation. For that, I can say I am very thankful, and everyone else here is also.
Nice.
Thank you, guys.
Oh, we appreciate you saying that. Very nice of you.
And we have a little something more to share. So this was 100% initiated by Todd, but we got a few more people in on it. So. All right, can you see my screen?
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Wow.
Well, no doubt. That's pretty cool.
Oh, wow. That was great. Very, very appreciated.
Yeah.
All right, gentlemen, have a good day.
I wish I could see Kevin and Kyle's faces.
They're crying.
They're on.
I'm on.
Yeah, I can see Kevin. I don't see Kyle.
That's all right. I turned up a little bit, so it's okay.
Turn his camera.
It's awfully nice.
All right, we'll see you guys.
All right, thanks so much.
Thank you very
for coming
much.
on, Todd.
It's truly appreciated, and it's because of all of you and everyone else here that we felt compelled to do the right things and make sure that everyone was safe. So,
Great.
All righty.